Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do our Boxycharm for the month of, do you know what month it is? That's right, we are doing our November Boxycharm unboxing, and I have my little helper today. We went to a princess party today.
Yeah, and I met the real Belle, and I made this crown, and I got this from Belle.
Yep, she got
picture of all the princesses.
She got Belle's autograph, so that was really special. All right, so we are going to dig into this month's Boxycharm. If you guys are not familiar with it, I will put a link in the description explaining what exactly it is. It is by far the best makeup subscription box that I've ever gotten before. I do believe the price went up to $25. It used to be around $21, but it is well worth it. And I am gonna say I kind of already peaked this month, and it is a good one. You ready?
Yeah.
This month's theme is called Stellar, and this is just the little card that it comes with. The first thing I'm seeing right here is actually a little, it's a sample. So it's a Becca, yep, it's a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and it just looks to be a little sample, and you get 3 different colors. So these look to be like some sheet masks, and I'm gonna look on here. Do you want to talk about them a little bit? Oh, it's an eye mask. Let me see. Ooh, they're eye masks. Okay, so there's a morning and an evening cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff in the morning, and then at night there's an ultra relaxing eye mask that is made to aid in repairing the delicate eye area into smooth fine lines. Oh, I need that.
Yes.
Totally. And these 2 retail for $12. Ooh, what is it?
Lips.
Is it lipstick? Let's see. So this is from Dose of Colors. This is a liquid matte lipstick, and this, ooh, oh my gosh, I think Boxycharm actually listened to me, and they got the colors right that I like. Usually they send mommy really dark colors, and I don't wear those, and that's beautiful, huh? Should we swatch it on my arm? Let's swatch it on your arm. Both of our arms? Okay. It is very pretty. It looks to be kind of like a pinky nude. Here, it twists. There you go. There we go. Can we see that? That is a really pretty color.
I'm gonna do it on you.
That is so pretty. Card was full, so we're back. Okay, so, and this liquid lip retails for $18. Ooh, this is one of the things I was so excited about. I did see a spoiler on this. Someone posted on YouTube and said that everyone was going to be getting this, and I was super duper excited. So this is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, that is beautiful.
There's something on top.
It's to protect it. Do you love it?
Yeah, but
wow, that is so pretty.
Shall we do swatches?
We shall do swatches.
Me first.
Okay. All right. This is so pretty. Okay, so this palette retails for $35. Okay, what else we got in there? Brushes.
We have brushes here.
Oh my goodness. Do you want to open them?
Yes.
Those look to be very unique.
Here's number 1.
Those are so cool. What does it say about them? Show them the other one. Boxycharm 2-piece brush set.
And here's number 2.
So they actually say Boxycharm on them, and oh my gosh, they're so soft, but they're really, really densely packed. These will be really good foundation brushes, and maybe like a cream contour or something. Oh my gosh, these are really nice. They remind me of those Artiste brushes. You having fun with them?
I'm brushing the board.
What does it say? Oh, create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. And those retail for $35. Okay. All right, what's the last thing in there? Oh yeah, this is the thing. So they sent an email out and said that we were able to.
Okay, if this is out.
Yeah, we were able to pick one item for our next month's box, and this is what I picked.
I want to open it.
This is from Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I have very dry under eyes. So I'm so excited that I got this. This is probably, ooh, that's an interesting applicator. So what does it say about that? This retails for $50. That is crazy.
But how do I do it?
I am not really sure. Oh, I think it pumps like that. So I don't want to waste any of it. Oh, I bet it like comes out and you put it on your eyes with this thing. Okay. So it comes out like that, and it's, it feels really like, it almost feels like an oil. It feels like a serum. I don't want to waste it. Yeah, I'm really, really excited about that one. So I am overall very happy with this month's box, and it came super early. I just got it today. Today is the 9th, I believe. So yeah, that came super early. I wanted to get this up for you guys. And another thing, I know some of you like to know the weight, and it is 1.02 pounds. And let me go ahead and add up the value of this month's box as well. Oh, and I am variation number 20. Okay, so this box retailed for $150. That is a lot. So like I said, they did raise the price up to $25, but I still think that this box is absolutely worth it. I mean, one of the products alone was $50, and then to get the Dominique Cosmetics palette, this box is worth it. So I just want to say thank you to Boxycharm for listening and sending me a light color that I actually love, because I feel like in the past they've sent me a lot of darker colors, and I just don't think that those colors look right on me. So I'm so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Boxycharm. So what did you guys... Mom life. Comment down below, what box did you guys get? Do you love it? Have a great day.